Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are installing this V-part wig, and also I'm going to show you guys how you can blend your 4C or 4B hair seamlessly with any U-part wig. So let's get right into it. So this hair is from Domiso hair. I just want to first say, girl, this packaging is so cute. This is the cutest packaging I've seen so far with a hair company, and it did come with some goodies, some lashes, and a wig cap. So moving on to the hair, it is Afro curly hair and it is in 22 inches. This hair pattern really mimics 4B, 4C style hair, and it is just so cute. I always love a good curly wig. Like, you can never go wrong with a good curly wig at all. I promise you, it just hits with every look. So this wig does come with an elastic band and 4 combs in the front, and also 2 extra clips on the sides to make sure that the wig lays flat, and it also has a comb attachment in the back. And I will also have all of the hair information linked in the description box. So I started off doing some cornrows going back, but I did actually end up changing my braiding pattern because, one, honestly, the leave out that I had was way too small, and I had to undo the last 2 braids on each side so that I can make my leave out bigger. But I actually ended up changing the pattern because I was going to also leave some hair out on the sides. But after I installed it, I kind of realized that was not even necessary, because once you lay the wig down, honestly, you don't even need to leave any leave out on the sides of the hair because of how well the wig lays flat. So you're about to see how the other braiding pattern I did here, as you can see, I did the leave out much bigger, and then that's when I decided to just braid the sides, but I was not going to do the leave out anymore. So here I am installing the wig. I did have a little trouble installing this because I honestly could not tell whether or not if this wig was just too small or it was too big, to be honest. But it does fit very snug on my head. Now, obviously it would lay more flat on the sides, which is why the 2 extra clips on the sides are necessary, because once you clip those in, the wig lays very flat. So even if wind blows or anything like that, it would literally still look like the hair is coming from your scalp. But because I had the 2 braids on the side, obviously that was kind of showing a little bit, but without those 2 braids, it lays down very, very flat. So as you can see, this hair texture is just very, very gorgeous. I love this. So now I'm just wetting the hair and adding some mousse. The water that is in my spray bottle is actually an herbal mix that I ordered from Amazon and pretty much just made it into a spray, and it's actually been helping my hair grow. So I will leave that link in the description. So this is literally the curl pattern when it's wet and with the mousse, and I'm just showing you guys the difference of how it looks when it's wet versus how it looks when it's dry. And it is very much true to the inches. It is 22 inches and it's very much true to its length. So now I'm going in with mousse again, and I did not spray or wet my hair this time. I just went straight in with the mousse because this mousse is water based, so it's not even necessary to spray down your hair first and then go over it with mousse. Honestly, just go straight in with the mousse and you'll actually get better results that way. So I also went in with the Eco Style gel. This is an edge control gel, and I only use a very small amount. And what I'm going to do to get more defined curls is just take that little small amount of gel and just go over it with my hair strands. This is how I have to do it with my hair texture, because low-key I don't really have a curl pattern. It's like it is there when it's wet, but when it gets dry, my hair just becomes completely poofy, and so the curl pattern just, girl, it gets lost. it just gets lost in the air, girl. So now I'm just sleeking the roots down a little bit. As you can tell the difference, this is how my hair is looking so far, and you can honestly leave it like this, but because like I said, my hair gets poofy, now this is the method that I use to make sure that my hair just stays intact. So what I do is I grab my own natural hair and a piece of the hair from the wig, and I just do a very loose twist. I don't twist tightly, I just do a very loose twist, so that way the curl pattern still stays intact. And as you can see, my hair just blended in so seamlessly using this method. I've been doing this method for like a very long time. Even when I started to do this when I used to do crochet in my hair. I still do crochet, but not as often as I used to. But every time I had a curl pattern and I wanted to leave some leave out, this is the method that I would use to always blend my hair in seamlessly. And this method works with any curl type. It doesn't matter your hair type, it works with any curl type that you're using to install in your hair. So now you could tell the difference between this side, which I have done the loose twist, and the other side, and as you can see, my hair just sits on top of the hair on the other side, which is why I do this method to prevent that from happening, because my hair is already starting to get poofy. Like, one thing about me, when I install curly extensions or curly hair in my hair, I always want it to look natural. Like, I want that thing looking like it's coming from my scalp, so that if anybody asks, I could say, yes girl, this is my hair. So this is how the hair turned out. This is how it's looking. As you can see, doing this method, it literally makes my 4C hair just blend in so seamlessly. So even if my hair gets poofy, you honestly would not even be able to tell. Right now my hair is still wet in this shot, but I will show you in the next clip how my hair looks after it dries. But this hair is just so cute. I'm so obsessed with this wig. I even slept in this wig, and I forgot to mention that I barely got any shedding or tangling. It doesn't tangle at all because, again, it is human hair and it's very soft. And in the next clip, again, you'll see how my hair looks when it is dry. It literally just blends in so seamlessly. Girl, this is like my natural hair. So again, I will have this exact hair linked in the description, and all of the hair information will also be in the description. So if you want more hair inspo, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.